Some substances like carbon dioxide or oxygen can move across the cell membrane by the process called diffusion. So this is also important process. Plasma membrane is helping here for the movement of gases, that is, it is helping in gaseous exchange, and the second one, it also helps in the liquid exchange, liquid in the form of water. Like when we discuss about the gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen can move by the process of diffusion. Again, this can be 1 mark question. So this is our third question. How the gaseous exchange is taking place across the plasma membrane? By the process of diffusion. Sometimes similar to this happen in the cell when, for example, some substances like carbon dioxide, which is cellular waste and required to be excreted out of the cell. So why we are calling it cellular waste? In every cell, respiration is taking place, that we call cellular respiration. During cellular respiration, oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is given out. When this carbon dioxide is released, it is waste for the cell. So thus it has to be given out. And during the process of respiration, lot of carbon dioxide is generating. So as carbon dioxide concentration is more in the cell compared to outside, from inside of the cell where carbon dioxide is more is coming out. And we discussed in the process of diffusion, gaseous exchange will take place from the region of high concentration to region of the low concentration. Now here inside the cell more carbon dioxide is there and outside is less. So thus the carbon dioxide is moving from inside the cell to outside. So here the concentration of carbon dioxide inside and outside the cell, they will move till it will equalize. So in the cell external environment, the concentration of carbon dioxide is low compared to inside the cell. As soon as there is a difference of concentration of carbon dioxide inside and outside the cell will become equal, then this movement will stop. Carbon dioxide moves out of the cell from the region of high concentration to the region of the low concentration outside the cell by the process of diffusion. So this whole paragraph you can write in your own words if you understand the process of diffusion. You need not to learn it like line by line or word by word. Only the thing like where it is more, from there it is moving to other side. Carbon dioxide is more inside the cell, from inside the cell it is moving outside where it is less. In the same way, oxygen is more outside the cell, from outside the cell it is entering inside the cell by the process of diffusion. So this whole paragraph is how the gaseous exchange is taking place. So that we are getting the 5th question. In first paragraph we got 2 questions, second paragraph again 2 questions, third paragraph explain the gaseous exchange in detail. When it is of 2 marks question, we need to write this paragraph explanation.